Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yay! I'm super excited to be talking to you guys today. I know it's been so long, it's been forever. I think I've been off YouTube for like maybe 2 months. I've never been off YouTube for that long before, guys. A lot has been going on in my personal life. So many things, moving houses, and oh my gosh, Lord, oh my gosh, so many, guys, so many, too numerous to mention. And in addition to that, I think I actually lost that spark of fire I had for YouTube. I don't know why. I don't know why. I just felt maybe I wasn't achieving what I wanted to achieve or stuff like that. You know, when you're putting in so much effort, but it looks like your effort is yielding nothing. So I decided to just like take a breather, just like relax, just do other things and just give YouTube a break. But I missed YouTube, so I'm back. All right, guys, it's amazing to be here. If you miss me, please drop the comments down below. And my name is Mimi. If you're just watching my video for the first time, I'm a content creator. I create content on natural hair, lots of DIY and lifestyle, sometimes food. So you're welcome to the family. Today is going to be an interesting video. I want to recreate the look of one of my all-time favorite Hollywood actresses, Sanaa Lathan. So I'm going to put the picture up here or here, anyway. I'm going to put up a picture and I'm going to show you the style I'm trying to recreate. So this is the style I want to recreate on my 4C hair, guys. So I'm going to show you. So this particular style Sanaa has on. So Sanaa is an American actress. You guys know her from, oh my god, her movies are too numerous to mention. This style was actually achieved with coils, so with maybe like rollers or coiling iron, or it was actually achieved using coils but not twist out. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to recreate this look by doing a twist out. So I love this style. This style is very chic, it's very airy, if I can say like that. It's very summery. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be moisturizing my hair. So I had my hair in twists, just like very jumbo twists, to just protect my hair while I stayed at home. I've just been home working from home, so I had my hair in jumbo twists, but I want to create something pretty because I'll probably be going out this weekend, so I want my hair to look really good and I believe this will be the right style. So to moisturize my hair, the first thing I'm going to be using is this. So this is the Aussie Hair Insurance Leave-In Conditioner, and it's made with jojoba and sea kelp. This is a very moisturizing leave-in conditioner, so I'm just going to spritz this all over my hair just to add some moisture to my hair. Massage that so it gets to the roots to ensure that my roots are also moisturized. Guys, so my hair is moisturized now. You can see it looks softer and better. Like before I sprayed it, it was looking kind of dry, but now it looks softer. Oh my god, guys, I know I said a lot has been happening in my life. One of the things is this. So I have a small business, as some of you already know, and I released a new product. So this, and I named my business Olama. How cute is that? Olama is an Igbo name. It means beauty. So I named my business Olama, and then I released the first product under the Olama brand, and this is the Olama hair growth serum. You guys know I already have the hair growth butter, the Ayurvedic butter and the Shibi butter. Those ones are there, but this is my baby. I love this one because this oil was infused for 8 weeks in amazing herbs and roots like moleti. I'm sorry, I don't know what's going on. Ashwagandha, neem, cayenne pepper, rosemary, fenugreek, so many things, guys, and they're all infused in this oil for 8 weeks. So this oil is so rich and very, very potent, so I try to use it sparingly. So this is all on my hair growth oil. I'm just going to apply this my roots and then on the strands of my hair. So once I apply this on my roots, I'm just going to massage it thoroughly. My edges, of course, very important. That feels so good. And now I'm going to use this on the strands of my hair. Okay guys, so I am done preparing my hair. Okay guys, so I am done moisturizing my hair. So now I'm going to get coiling, and I'm going to be using just 2 things to coil my hair. I'm going to be using this Cantu Define and Shine Custard, and I'm also going to be using this Jacques Coil Lala Defining Coil Custard. So these two are the things I'm going to use to coil my hair today. I'm going to be starting with the Coil Lala. So first of all, I'm going to section it first. Start with the one I want to work with first. So I just want to put like a small part here, just trying to make sure I recreate the hair the way it appears. She has a side part, so I'm just going to put a side part here. Let me use a comb to do that. I'm going to start by patting out the section I want to start with. So these are going to be like just jumbo twists. You can do whatever size you want. But honestly, I'm not ready to sit down here for the next 3 hours twisting my hair, because my hair is literally a bush. So I'm going to be making mine this size. So like I said, I'm going to start with the Coil Lala. Go in with a generous amount of that on my hair. So I'm going to go in now with this Coil Custard. And the final touch to make sure that my curls pop is to detangle my hair using this Denman brush. So just to get rid of any knots. We don't want knots, we don't want knots on our perfect little twist outs. And now I'm just going to go ahead and twist this. So guys, when you're twisting this, very importantly, make sure your twists are tight. And make sure you don't borrow strands. So you know the way I have this too, you're going to twist it like this to the end. You don't borrow from here to give here. Those are the things that can make your hair knotted. So when you're losing it, your hair can be knotted at that particular point, and you might have to yank it off, and then you might lose some hair. Okay guys, so I am done twisting my hair. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to let my hair dry. So I'm going to leave this overnight. Today is actually a Thursday, and I'm going to loosen this on Saturday. So I want to give it enough time to dry, because I don't want the hair to be wet or damp at all. That way my twist out stays intact for longer. So if your hair is still kind of wet when you loosen it, your twist out would not last. Guys, I will see you. I'm going to come back and show you what my hair looks like. So I'm going to unravel my hair with you, and then we're going to style it to look like Sanaa Lathan. See you guys soon. I'm back. So guys, this is Saturday. I remember I told you I was going to leave my hair twisted for 2 days. So that was on Thursday. Today is Saturday, and I'm ready to take down this twists and create this beautiful Sanaa Lathan look. So I'm going to be using the Olama hair growth serum to loosen my hair. So a few drops of this. And now I'm going to take down the braids. Nice. What I'm going to do now is to separate this twist. So you just open it like this, just to give it more volume. I guess this one is not dry because I think when I went in the shower, water touched this one in front, and that's the reason why it's still kind of damp. And guys, to complete this Sanaa Lathan look, I'm going to be using these clips. I got this from Claire's here in Canada. Claire's. So I'm just going to use that clip here just to complete the Sanaa Lathan look. Okay guys, I believe I have the Sanaa Lathan look complete now. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think. Do you think I nailed it? Do you think I could have done better? Do you think I should probably try coiling it next time? Just let me know what you think. I decided to do a twist out because I felt this was easier than coiling it at home. And that's it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And I will see you in my next video.